Hi everyone, welcome back to Adventure 365, the channel that is going places, and as promised, a review on the 12 volt power station that we've had on test from LVB. Now what can I tell you about this unit, except that it's been awesome. We've used it for, let me just think, 6-7 weeks, probably a bit longer than that, probably 8 weeks, probably 2 months. And we've been out on trips every other weekend. We've been on a 2-week trip. We've been on weekend trips. It's been brilliant. It's got boundless energy. That's what I want to say. It's got boundless energy, guys. We've had no issues with it at all. We've run tools off it. We've charged things. We've charged the cameras. We've charged the drone batteries. We've charged phones. And more importantly for me, it's run my computer, because when we were out on a trip, my battery decided to die on the computer and I needed it plugged in. This has got a pure sine wave inverter in it, and it'll run your computer. So it was running my laptop. My laptop would probably run for about 20 minutes, half an hour on its own battery and then just die. I can't have that when I'm editing. And so I've run it, all night off this. It's been brilliant, and I haven't got a bad word to say about it. For those of you who missed the first video where we got this, I'll do a quick recap on it. It's got a bunch of USBs. It's got four USBs across the top. That's USB 3 as well. 2 plugs with multi-plugs in, so you can run European plugs, British plugs, standard plugs, whatever. It will take them all. That's for power going in, for charging it. Sorry, that is as well. They're both inputs, so they're both charge. That's mains and that's solar, and they're all power out. Obviously that's a cigarette out. I haven't got the leads for those ones. I tell a lie, I probably have, but I haven't unpacked them. But they're all power outs, and like I was saying, it's been brilliant. We've had no issues with it. The thing's absolutely awesome. We ran it for, I don't know, 4 days without charging it, and then we charged it on its own solar panel. We were in one place for quite a while, so we had a chance to put it on charge on its own solar, and it charges remarkably quick on its own solar. So that's your DC and AC as well. So power wise, it's been amazing. Now you'll all want to know if there's any negatives with it, and honestly I haven't found any. Like I say, power wise, it's been brilliant. It is the first one I've tried as well. I've never had a 12 volt generator before, so I can't really compare it to others, but for the usage we've put to it, it's been great. We've had no issues with it. If I could find an issue with it, the only thing I could find was if you wanted to charge it while having the 240 power on, it would shut off. You cannot charge it and take power out of it, and that's really the only issue I found with it. And it kind of makes sense that you can't take 220 volt out of it and charge it at the same time, because if you've got the capacity to charge it using the mains charger, you would be using the mains rather than using the generator. So it's an issue that's a non-issue, if you know what I mean. So I haven't found a problem with it. So what's my full conclusion on it? It's brilliant. I don't want to give it back. I've enjoyed having it so much because I've been able to sit outside the truck, run the laptop, be with everyone, talk, have a beer, carry on doing what I'm doing, whether it be charging batteries, cameras, whatever. The versatility of it has been amazing, and I really don't want to give it back. Unfortunately, I've got to. So there's my conclusions on it, guys. long-term test, and it gets a thumbs up from me. So I guess if you want one, you'll have to go to LVB. So I'll give Larry my full opinion of it, and he'll probably have these in stock soon. So there you go, 12 volt power stations. So if you've enjoyed this video, guys, give me that thumbs up, put on that notification bell, make sure you subscribed, and I'll see you on the next one.